Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. If you cannot tell by today's title, I am doing a makeup tutorial slash review using the Colourpop Beauty and the Beast collection. This was a request and I'm so happy I filmed all these products because this was a really fun video for me to film. If you guys want to hear my thoughts on all the products and see this really pretty rosy look that I created, and then keep watching. So starting off with the eyeshadow palette, it is absolutely gorgeous. This palette is a 12 pan palette with some soft neutrals and beautiful gold shades that match Belle's dress. You have your four matte shades, which are Kind Hearted, Break the Curse, Beast, and West Wing. Next up are your metallics. So you have Vivid Imagination, Belle, Curious Mind, Inner Beauty, and Book Lover. Then you have your two matte sparkles, which are Ballroom Dance and Dinner Invite, and the Pearlescent Glitter, which is Forbidden. So for the look today, I think I'm going to do something with the more rosy tones because those are the shades I did not play with at all when I used this for the first time. So my eyelids are all prepped and ready to go, so I'm going to go in with Break the Curse on this nice brush and just really pat this starting at the lash line, so where the most color is, and then kind of just keep patting it upwards into the crease, and that way it gets like a little lighter. These formulas are Colourpop's classic formula, so buttery, so creamy, so easy to use. Colourpop is like the best affordable brand out there, and don't be afraid to ever get sloppy with your makeup. Always keep baby wipes or makeup wipes on hand close by because you can always clean it up. That's why I always do my base after my eyes, because I like to make a mess with my eyes. One thing I should have done first was go in with West Wing, which is a really pretty like chocolatey brown, and I'm going to go in with just an angle brush, nothing specific, and I like to just go like this, really sloppy, and apply it. This part does not need to be perfect at all because I'm going to go in with that brush again and Break the Curse and kind of just blend it out a little bit. I've been loving to do looks like this. I just think it's so pretty and like just so smoky looking, and see like that pretty smoky effect. I just love it, and this is so easy to do, especially if you're a beginner and want to learn how to get smoky looks. Use brown because that's easier to begin with, and then you can use any shade, even a nude, and it looks so pretty. Next, I'm just going to take this fluffy M441 brush from Morphe and the shade Kind Hearted just to really like clean everything up, because Kind Hearted is that like super nudie shade. It's pretty much my skin tone, so I'm just going to go in and really blend everything out. This will also, like, if you're my skin tone, will not make you look so sickly, because I feel like I was looking sickly before this. Next on my finger, I'm just taking some glitter glue, and I'm just gonna kind of focus this in the middle of the eye. I kind of want to do like a halo eye type of effect today, but I'm also not making it perfect. I don't want it to be like a perfect, precise halo eye. And with my ring finger, I'm just gonna take the shade Forbidden, and I'm just gonna pat this where I popped that glitter glue on. Oh my god, like look at how pretty. And today is Memorial Day as I'm filming this, and this is kind of giving like a patriotic kind of look. So I'm just going to take a baby wipe now and kind of just clean up the edges, just so it's just like a nice kind of sharp edge. Not super sharp though. I also just like to clean up the inner corners because I don't always necessarily need to get eyeshadow there. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face off camera, but I will be back to do blush, highlighter, and lips with you guys. I finished up the rest of my face. Hopefully everything is looking okay-ish. I cannot see. I don't know if I mentioned this at all in this video, but I'm wearing contacts that they're not my prescription. Well, this side's not my prescription. My left side, my right side is. Anywho, we're gonna go on to blush now. I have not used either of these blushes yet, so I'm really excited to try them today. First up, we have Mrs. Potts, which is a perfect cool pink for a soft blush. Here's a swatch. It's a really, really soft baby pink color. I've never tried a Colourpop blush before, so this is going to be my first time. And the second blush is Chip, which is a warm brown shade. And this is what Chip looks like. I feel like Chip could be a good bronzer for me. I almost kind of want to use it as a bronzer right now. I was thinking that for like the longest time, and I just never did it. I think I might be using Chip as a bronzer. I'm just gonna sloppily apply this and really make my foundation match, because I don't really know what shade I am right now. I'm red, but I'm tan. I'm like 6 different shades. I'm gonna go in with Mrs. Potts and really get that on the brush. This is so pretty. I love Mrs. Potts, and I did not put any blush. Normally I do my liquid blushes and my liquid cream bronzers. I didn't do any of that today just because I'm just staying home. Like, I'm not doing anything after this. So I love to put some on my forehead and my chin because I just feel like it gives you that nice little sun-kissed look. Really giving myself that sun-kissed look. But I love, love, love this blush. It is so pretty. It's very, very light. So I don't know how much I will be using this more going forward in the summertime. This will definitely be a good fall, winter, early spring blush. Next up, we have the Special Guest Super Shock Highlighter, and this is a warm gold with a soft pink duochrome finish. I don't know if you could tell, that's what it looks like in the pan. When I first got it, it was very marbled. Here's a swatch. It's very gold. I feel like in some light, it looks almost a little peachy. I feel like this highlight has a total learning curve to it, so I'm going to show you how I do it. First, I go in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I just mist my face. And really mist it. Don't drench your face. Then I go in with the highlighter, and I go in with my finger, and I will tap it where I normally always put my highlighter. So my cheekbones, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, like my nose. I tap it all along my forehead, tap it on my chin, and I also will go from like the arch of my eyebrow and kind of connect it to the cheekbone. Then I'm going to take the Sephora number 98 brush. It is their Pro Highlight brush. And I just swirl it in here really, really good. And then I kind of just blend over where I put the highlight with my finger. And I feel like it just looks so pretty. If you guys have a better way or a different way of using this, please let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, it's a total learning curve. I don't know if I'm probably the problem, but if you guys know, share your tips and tricks in the comments. So then I just set it with my favorite setting spray. I love the Urban Decay All Nighter. This yellow one is the Vitamin C Cactus Flower Water. I don't know, it just sounded good. I just mist my face with this. I feel like it just gives my skin a more hydrated type of look throughout the day. And it just makes you look nice and bright because it has the vitamin C. So next up, we have lips. The one lip product I'm not going to be using in the video is the Enchanted Rose Lip Mask, just because I'm saving this for bedtime. But I did get the 2 lip kits. Each one came with a lipstick and a lip gloss. The first lip kit I'm going to swatch for you guys is the Break the Spell lip kit, which came with the Les Petal Luxe lipstick. Kind and Gentle Ultra Glossy Lip. So this is your royal brown lip duo that is fit for a princess. This is Les Petal on its own. It's a really pretty brown lipstick. This is going to be a go-to for the fall. And then this is with Gentle and Kind on top. These are the 2 on their own, and then this is both together. I love Colourpop lip products as well. I think they're amazing. And then the second lip kit is the Great Adventure lip kit. So you get the Not So Odd Luxe lipstick and Bookworm Ultra Glossy Lip. Here is Not So Odd on the lips. It's a really pretty rosy pinky color. Again, super creamy. And then this is the lip combo with Not So Odd on top. Here's the lip combo with Bookworm on top. So here are the 2 by themselves. You have Not So Odd, which is the lipstick, and then Bookworm is a really pretty pale pink with like gold reflective glitter in it, which is really not picking up on camera, of course. Overall, I really do love this whole collection. I think everything's amazing and everything is up to your typical Colourpop standard. My 3 most used products have been the lip glosses and the Super Shock highlighter. I'm so excited to incorporate the blushes into my makeup routine. If you haven't picked up anything from this collection yet, definitely get the palette. I know when the Sigma one came out, a lot of people weren't happy with it because it isn't Belle. It wasn't Beauty and the Beast. This one is. Colourpop killed it with getting the blues from the Beast, the dark blue from the Beast, the light blue from the one dress Belle wears, the yellows, the iconic yellow dress, the perfect neutral tones, the rosy tones. Like, every tone in this palette screams Beauty and the Beast to me. So if you're gonna get something from this collection, get the palette. I will have everything that I use linked down below if you guys want to check it out. I'll have everything else that I use linked below as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!